Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Powerhouse. In today's video, we will learn how we can enable external access on Microsoft Teams. To do this configuration, you would require global administrator privileges on your account enabled. Once you have those privileges enabled, you can log into this URL admin.teams.microsoft.com/dashboard and log in with your global admin account. Once you log in, you will be presented on this page. On the left-hand side menu, choose the option Org-wide settings and then under that choose external access. Before we enable external access, we need to learn a little bit about external access. When you launch Teams for your organization, what happens is all the users within your organization can talk to each other. Any user who is not a member of your organization happens to be the external user. If you want to enable your users to communicate with the external users, you need to enable external access. There are two ways of enabling external access on Microsoft Teams. In this option, we can add a domain. That means a new company's domain name can be added here. And there are two kinds of privileges that can be granted to that domain. Let's have a look. When we click on add a domain, we are prompted to give the domain name, and under it we have two options, allowed or blocked. Now if I enter here abc.com, that means I want to enable users of abc.com to be able to talk to users of my organization, and I'm selecting the allowed part here. When I click done, this domain will be added to the allowed domain list. What does this mean? This means that all the users from abc.com are allowed to talk to my users, and all users from my organizations are allowed to talk to abc.com. But any users who does not belong to either my organization or abc.com, they are not allowed to have any conversations with users from any of these two organizations. Let's have another look. I'm going to add one more domain, this time as a blocked one. Now if I enter xyz.com and choose blocked here and select done, this will be added as a blocked domain. That means users from xyz.com will never be able to have any conversations with users from my organization. Let's extend this concept a bit. I'm going to remove this one. Now what does this mean? This means that any users from XYZ won't be able to communicate with users from my organization, but apart from xyz.com, users from the entire world will be allowed to communicate with users of my organization. So you need to be a bit careful when you are adding domains into the external access area of Microsoft Teams, and be sure about which domains you want to block, which domains you want to allow. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to Technical Powerhouse for more videos.